Good morning. Welcome to Tuesday Newsday. Today I am joined by the lovely Glennie. How are you doing?
I am good. How are you doing, Hannah?
I'm doing all right. I've had quite the day so far today.
It's been a busy day.
It has. So what's new? What's going on? Tell me a little bit.
Oh my goodness. Well, summer is, I know it's still summer, but we have had such beautiful weather the last few days.
We seriously have. It's been so lovely. It's been like a crisp 74, 75.
And just a little under 80 on some days. Oh, it's just been amazing. You know, we kind of deserve it after all the
90-degree weather we've been having.
And 150% humidity.
Oh, yeah. Listen, I love summer, but oh my goodness, sometimes I am over it and I am so ready for autumn.
Yeah, I think we are ready for fall.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. So yeah, that's everything in town is bustling still, and I've been doing a lot of projects, Hannah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me about them. What are you doing?
Well, you know, I like to crochet, but I told you that's kind of been on the back burner because I have been doing some things, getting ready for. We're doing some demos in October for Halloween.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, and so I'm embroidering. You know, my daughter Rachel and I are doing a whole lot of embroidery, and getting everything ready. I'll show you a couple of things. I'm not gonna, you know, ruin the whole surprise. But come to town. It's going to be so much fun. So. Some of the
my gosh,
aren't these just adorable?
That is so cute.
And a little haunted house with a ghosty.
Oh my goodness, look at him. Wait, let me zoom in on this one because look at that little ghost. Oh, look at how cute.
They're just adorable. And look, twin ghosties. Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
they're so adorable. Well, they're part of our Stitch or Treat set, and we're going to be showing this, and it's got all of the peel and stitch, so it makes me look like a pro even though I'm not. So
yeah, same.
All of these
love
cute
the peel and stitches.
Yeah, all the cute little things here.
Oh, the hat.
Yeah. Like,
oh my gosh,
I know.
Cute.
How cute. 25 different things, and we also have the embroidery floss kit that goes with it.
Oh, nice.
So,
yes.
Yeah,
I think these
I didn't have to think about it.
Yeah,
right?
That's super nice. It tells you exactly what colors that
the instructions.
we used, you know. Yeah.
But you can make it your own. That's the nice thing about creativity. You can make it your own. So
well, I was actually looking at that cat and I kind of liked that it was like just completely empty because you could go in by yourself and just draw with like a colored pencil and just add some personal little markings for your cat or for your friend's cat or something.
Oh, absolutely. That's the fun part. And I don't know if I told you before, but you know, Misty did the English paper piecing beginner kit.
It's so cute.
And I got that and learned how to do it, and now I'm obsessed. So I got the Tula Pink palette pop.
Oh, pretty. I love that one. The colors are gorgeous.
Yeah, they are. And this is where I've started so far.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
That looks amazing.
Isn't it? And it's going to be so much bigger. It's like, this is section 1. You know, there are 6 sections. So.
Oh, geez. Good luck. How's it been going? How do you feel about it? Do you like it?
I love it. I thought it was going to be really difficult, but it is so easy.
Tell me, can you explain that a little bit? To like, what is the process like? Because I know a lot of people have questions. I might be one of those people.
That's right. Well, you cut out the shapes, and then you look at the messy back here. You cut out we have the paper pieces, and you just attach the paper and the fabric, and then all you have to do is hand sew the fabric with the paper in there. I keep the paper in until I get the next section attached, but then then you can take the papers out.
Oh yeah, I see you took them out right here. These little guys are empty.
Yeah, it makes it a little easier. I'll take this cinder out real soon.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's...
How do you take it out? Do you have to like rip it or something?
No, you just peel it just like this.
Oh wow, it just comes right out.
It just comes right out.
Oh, awesome. Okay, perfect. Because I know a lot of people have had questions recently about like, do you leave the paper in, and when do you take it out? Is it hard to take it out? And so
no, it's so easy to take it out, and you can glue baste it, or you can use thread basting. I glue basted this, so, and then you can reuse your pieces.
Oh, very nice. Okay,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
Very frugal, right?
Yeah, no, I love that, and it's so cute. I can't wait to see when you finish it.
I know. I'm going to bring it here.
Oh, yes.
I'm going to hang it up in my space because.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Where are you going to put it?
I don't know yet. I have so much space here.
There's many options.
That's right. Lots of options. So the other big thing, we have a lot of things coming up soon.
We do.
So first off, we're going to talk about Golden Star.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That opens up tomorrow.
Tomorrow, September the 3rd. And anyone who has been here or shopped with us for very long, they know all about Golden Star.
Yes.
But for this year, it's running starting tomorrow, September 3rd, all the way through September the 30th.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
So it's a lot of opportunities to play the game. So
how do you play the game? What is the game?
Oh, the game. Okay, so this is going to be great for me because I like to shop. So for every $10 that you spend, you get a gameplay.
Okay.
And so with that gameplay, you have a chance to win prizes, Golden Star cards, which are just like cash, which is really handy. And then you're automatically entered into our grand prize drawings.
Oh, okay.
And the grand prizes are so great this year, Hannah. They are so great. So
can we have any sneaky
Yes,
peeks?
yes, I will tell you. They're long arm quilting machines.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Oh my gosh.
There's
Holy cow.
a Bernina Q16 long arm quilting machine.
Okay.
And a Baby Lock Gallant XL.
Oh my gosh.
Those are the grand prizes. So
those are big grand prizes.
they are very big grand prizes. Yeah. So really excited for this. Wish I could win, but
I know, same. Every time we do one of these, I'm always like, are you sure that I can't just like slide my name in there like 50 extra times?
Nope. So everybody else except us.
Yes.
So that's starting tomorrow. So if you have any questions or you just want a sneak peek, see what's going on, just go online and all the information is right there.
Okay, awesome.
Okay. Next
is a big one.
It is a big one. Birthday bash.
Birthday bash. I can't wait, you guys. I'm so excited.
I know. It's our Stitch and Stampede, our 17th birthday bash.
This year's theme is so stinking cute. The wanted posters, the sheriff, we've had so many like Chuck the Duck discussions, me and my mom specifically, about like what we're gonna do to get him all shaped up and dressed up and all that fun craziness.
Oh, how fun. He has to have a hat.
Oh, has to have a hat. We're thinking about making him like a vest with fringes at the bottom. We've even thought about making him like his own little sheriff deputy patch.
Yeah, have to do that. Chuck is gonna have to dress up. The most difficult part of this particular theme is knowing when to stop.
Yes. Yes. Before you overload yourself and like make it to where it's almost impossible. Yes.
Yeah, it is so much fun. We have been having just a blast getting everything ready for people, and I know everybody's just going to have such a good time.
Yes.
The Western theme is really big right now, and we'll take it over the top in a few places. It's going to be a lot of fun. So,
I can't wait to see what you guys show up as.
Please dress up.
Yes, please. We love it.
Yeah. I think everybody will have the opportunity to wear their boots, wear their hats, have their bandanas.
Yes, speaking of bandanas.
Yes, we are going to have someone really special here. His name is Robin Smith, and his brand is Fowl and Maker, and he has one of those old-fashioned chain stitch embroidery machines.
Yeah,
and
so cool.
Yeah, we brought him here. He's going to be here for a couple of days, and he's done some really big events for big companies. And I know I always think that we're just a tiny little hometown company. It's really cool when someone like that comes over here.
Yes, it is.
And so we're going to have him doing embroidery on your bandanas when you're here, so you can have your own name, your name on your own bandana.
Your name or your guild name, whatever you want him to do, he will put whatever you want down.
That's right.
Within exceptions. You know?
That's right. That's right. You know, just keep it PG.
Yes, keep it PG. Or, yeah.
But that's going to be so much fun.
Yeah, I can't wait.
And then we still have tickets available. I'm going to have to look at my notes because there's so much.
There is so much.
So we have some tickets still available to a few of our events, but they're selling out really fast.
They are.
So don't, the Outlaws. We are having the quilt off at the Missouri Star Corral, and that's the wanted posters you were talking about. It's just going to be the best time watching them.
Yeah, I can't wait.
And BJ, can I tell? BJ's the sheriff?
Oh, yes, I think that's fine. I think that's okay.
It's a secret. No,
I can't wait he's going to be the funniest sheriff. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so good. I am so excited.
If you've ever watched one of the quilt offs, this is just over and above what we've ever done before. It is going to be fantastic. And everyone's really excited. They have their costumes. It's just, and their names and the wanted posters. It's just so much fun. So you have to make sure you get that and you attend that one. Our trail boss is going to be doing a chat, Aldone. He's our trail boss.
Okay, very nice. Very nice.
So he's doing a quilt talk.
Oh,
so
yes.
We still have a few tickets available to that.
Yeah.
We still have a few, not very many, to the Double Take Trunk Show.
Oh, okay.
With Natalie and Misty.
They have really, really beautiful quilts. It's really awesome. I have been to that trunk show, I think, maybe twice or 3 times now, just because of Don't Grow retreats. And every time it's just I notice things that I didn't notice before. Their quilts are so beautiful.
Yeah, and the nice thing about this one, well, there's so much nice about it, but they're going to be raffling off one of their quilts to support the Caldwell County Food Bank.
Oh my gosh.
That's here in town.
That's amazing. Holy cow. Yeah, you do not want to miss that. That's going to be amazing.
No, you don't want to miss that one. And then all of the theater events this year, they're so good, and there are so many different raffles that we have at our theater events. So go online, look at the events, grab a ticket. The shows are going to be fantastic.
And if we are all sold out, once that happens and you still want to come, please come anyway. We would love to have you, and we're going to have so many free events and free demos and tons of things for everyone to do.
Yeah, just because one of the ticketed events might be sold out, the entire birthday bash is free. Just come and have fun with us. It's just going to be a great time. Now, we have a fun free event in the theater. So if you've ever seen, what is it? Craig Conover, he has that show on Bravo, and he's started his Sewing Down South Textiles. So he's doing he is going to be doing, his coastal collection. Absolutely.
Yes.
It's his brand new fabric collection.
Yes.
So he's going to be doing a show of that, and he and Misty made a quilt, so they're going to be showing that one.
I can't wait to see it. I'm actually so excited. I have yet to see his fabric line. I've heard it in passing multiple times, but I've never actually gotten to see it, so I'm really excited.
You will get to see it here because he is also doing a pop-up shop for a couple of days.
Oh wow, really?
In the shop that's next to the main shop.
Very nice. Okay.
So everybody will have the opportunity to see it.
That's the old quilt shop. Okay.
Yeah. So we'll have signage. Everybody will be able to find it, but he'll have the whole collection there for everybody to see and purchase if they want to.
Very cool.
It is really a cool collection.
That's gonna be awesome.
Definitely come to that one, and they're going to be raffling off the quilt that Misty and Craig made. So.
Oh my gosh, are they really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's super cool.
Yeah, it's going to be really nice, and he's doing meet and greets, so it's
I'm really surprised he's raffling that, because honestly, I would want to keep it. I'd be
He
like,
worked
no,
so
this is
hard
my
on
very
that.
first quilt,
Yeah.
and Misty don't help me make it. It's mine forever.
I know. No, he's going to do it. He's going to do it.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be so much fun.
Yeah.
I am super excited for whoever wins it, whoever gets it.
I know. It's going to be fantastic. And we were talking about the free events. We have so many things. So this year we have a lasso contest.
Oh my gosh.
And I kept envisioning ropes, but we're doing it with hula hoops. It's a little bit safer,
A little bit
right?
safe, yes.
Yeah,
A little bit calmer.
It's going to be adorable. Panning for gold, I think that's Lisa's favorite event that we've added. So we pan for gold. You have lots of prizes. We've got learn to line dance and learn to square dance events.
Oh, fun.
We're going to have demos at the demo depot.
Yeah.
And then Hamilton history tours. And of course, we're always going to have the cakewalks. So
I love the cakewalks.
Yeah.
And I do love the Hamilton tours. I think Hamilton has a very interesting history, and I love the buildings that we have here specifically, like the theater and even this building that we're in right now. Like, I just love the old architecture. And to completely sidetrack really quick, I came up here, and I've been up here a couple of times, not very often, but I was staring at the wall, and I noticed the old wallpaper, and it was just so beautiful, and it was so cool.
I know. We have done a lot here to maintain some of these old buildings, which I think is really cool.
I do too. I love that we do that. I think it's super awesome. But like, I just love knowing that a train used to run right through town, and I like knowing that we, had a shoe factory at one point, and like all these crazy things, and like the J.C. Penney shop that we have. I don't know if you guys watched this Tuesday Newsday in particular, but a while ago I was with BJ, and he was telling me all about how the J.C. Penney store that we have right now used to be the butcher shop. Well, not the butcher shop, but like the place. Yeah, the place where they had like auctions and stuff, and we talked about their pictures, and it was super cool. So,
and it was the 500th J.C. Penney department store.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
isn't that crazy? I feel like, man, Hamilton has gone through a lot of changes.
It absolutely has. One other, you're not even going to believe this. This is kind of brand new news. I'm bringing you the brand new news.
Bright and early, we're ready.
That's right. So we have a very special guest who is going to come visit us right from up the road in Gallatin.
Oh.
So it's the McBees from the McBee family dynasty.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah, they're going to be here. They're going to be doing some meet and greets. They're going to have a tent down there by Vendor Village. They're going to be talking about all sorts of the local things that they have going on. They have meat sticks and things that they're going to have samples and just do meet and greets and pictures and things.
That's awesome.
So that's going to be really fun. They're excited
really
to
cool.
come and spend some time with us here at Birthday Bash. So.
Maybe it's because I live under a rock. My job is social media. When I don't have to be on social media, I am not.
That's right.
But I just actually kind of learned of the McBee dynasty like maybe a few months ago.
Yeah.
And so the fact that they're coming up here is pretty cool. But it's like really interesting to know that my entire life that I've lived here in Hamilton, they were just in Gallatin. It's like a 10-15 minute drive from Hamilton. Yeah, that's crazy. I had no idea they were so close.
Yeah, they're just up the street, and they're just real life cowboys.
Yeah.
So it was right on theme. They're excited to come spend time with us.
Yeah, that's going to be perfect. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so I am sure that I have missed some important things.
Oh.
You don't have to miss it. You can come to Birthday Bash and just experience all of it. We'll have lots of different things for you to do and see.
Yeah, there's going to be so much. I'm so excited.
I know, me too.
Is that all that we have for today?
I think it might be. So, you can always check the website. We have all of the information about Birthday Bash, about Golden Star, all of our in-town events, the Halloween demos and everything. So if you ever have a question, just go to the website, go up to the top, and it says events,
Yep.
And all the information is there.
And you can also message us anytime, any day, and we will do our best to answer you as soon as possible.
That's right. Our customer service team is fantastic.
They are. All right, well, thank you.
Thanks, Hannah. You guys have a good day.